Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need NET SDK and VS Code with the C# extension. Once installed, open a terminal. Create a new ASB. NET project using .NET New Web App on My App, and then open that folder in VS Code. Make sure the project file, csproj, appears in Explorer so the editor recognizes the workspace. Once done, restore packages automatically with .NET Restore or allow the extension to prompt. This starts the project scaffolding and prepares debugging assets for the next steps. Now configure how VS Code launches your app by checking launch settings. JSON for ports and HTTPS. If launch JSON isn't created, let the C# extension add it or create a NET Core launch configuration that runs the project and attaches the debugger. Build first with .NET Build to catch compile issues. Once clean, start via the debug toolbar or .NET Run in the integrated terminal. You'll see the local URL. Open it in your browser. Make sure environment variables are set as needed for development. To complete, verify the app responds on the configured URL and iterate. Edit code, rebuild, and refresh the browser. If you hit errors, read the console logs. Setting a .NET Core environment to development reveals detailed errors. For debugger problems, stop the session, clean bin and obj folders, run .NET Build, then restart VS Code and try again. If a port conflict occurs, change application URL in launch settings. JSON. One key tip. Restart the IDE after extensions update to ensure the debug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.